Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about my skincare, about the products that how I am using it when it comes to the cleansing my face and the products that I'm using my skincare for the day and night. I have a few little other bits as well because my sister she has them as well and I used them before, so I can talk a little about it. So first, what I'm going to do, I will tell you, like I am going to talk a lot about the Estée Lauder products because I used to work with them, and I just love this products, and I think it's great opportunity to share this with you, and because it's loads of things and loads of products that I can actually talk about it. I was actually surprised, when I take them all together and decided to do this video. So the first step how I'm cleansing my face, and actually it's not from the Estée Lauder, this is the number 7. This is the foam version, and what I like to do with this is just kind of like take off the first layer of my makeup, because I'm using the double wear foundation, and I like first just like melt down the products. So that's what I'm just using. And the next product, and I'll show you, I have them two in here. Okay, so 2 products that I have in here, and this is the micro cleansing balm and this is the micro cleansing foam. Those 2 products are 2 the same products, but they are in the 2 different ways. So this is the foam version and this is the wax version. I love this one. So it comes like this. It's quite used as well. So on your dry hands, first use the dry hands and dry face, okay? So you're going to rub it into your hand, into your palm, and then you're going to kind of like start to, wash your face. So what's gonna happen when you have a makeup, it's gonna lovely remove it, and it has chamomile and the lavender, so it's gonna help your skin, to calm and start to relax. So this is very good thing as a treatment if you would like to use, and if you would like to spend the time with yourself and just kind of like pamper yourself, this is great opportunity. Also, I recommend this product for people which they have a dry skin and they would like to get straight away, that feeling that you have a cleansing and you also have a hydration. So the first step, okay, removing the makeup. What is happening then? You just go and just take a little bit of the wet hands and do it another round. So that product is gonna turn into the milky balm, and it's gonna be doing another. This is gonna be another cycle of the washing your face. So you have a 2-in-1, okay? For people which they don't like to use, they just want to go quickly. So there are people like that. That's the foam version, and that one I am using just under the shower. I just put a little bit, on my palm, and I cleanse my face, okay? Also, what I like to use for my deep cleansing, I have the products in here. So this one is the Nutritious Super-Pomagrante. It's 2-in-1. It's a radiant cleansing foam. Why is 2-in-1? You can use as a foam, but also you can use also as your face mask. So if you are looking for more like a face mask that you would like to detox your face and you would like to cleanse, like doing that deep clean, then you can use this as a mask. And I like this product because it's actually great because you can use that in the 2-in-1. And I'm using my Sonic brush. I bought that years ago, and I am very that's from the clinic, and I just love this product, for a while, and it's just like, and I'm just like massaging. So I'm using my wet brush, and I'm using this product, and I'm just gently massaging, and then I will leave that for that 2 minutes as well, and that's how my job is done. Okay. The next thing which I like to use after is my tonic water. And I'm using tonic water, my rose water, and that one is actually €2.60. It's my favorite product, and I think it's even better for me than the micellar water. I don't know, I'm not a big fan of the micellar water, and this is not something that I kind of like it. I don't know, it's just I like this. So the next thing So this is when I'm cleansing my face, and I'm going to talk right now about my night routine. I will be using Advanced Night Repair Serum. That product is my must-have product. So what is happening? We are living in the time when it's so hard to get 8 hours sleep, and sometimes it's impossible that we are going to get it, and our skin is not going to get enough time, you know, to repair. And between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. that's the best time when we can actually get our skin in the best mode, because there's the best regeneration in our face. This product is going to help you to achieve, you know, that goal of the 8 hours beauty sleep. Okay, so what is happening is lovely hydration, and is helping you repair your skin while when you are sleeping. This is so important. Why? Like sometimes people, they are using only a serum and that's it, you know. No, you have to use a moisturizer after your serum. You have to think this way. If you have the serum works always for the deep layers of your skin, when the moisturizer works on the top layers. So eventually they're going to meet at halfway, both together, and they will be more and more powerful. Moisturizer won't make the job on its own, and itself the serum. So they are both different factors, and they are working for the different things. I just want to show you that while when we are sleeping, we are losing so much water. So if you don't actually use the right products, your skin in the morning is gonna be completely dehydrated. And then when all the cycle is starting, because you are entering into the world, which there's so many toxins and so many stress, and the lack of the water, and there's lots of so many factors that they can affect your skin and the way your skin is gonna look. So that's why it's so important. So what I'm going to do, I'll show you now here on my back of my hand. I will apply a little bit of the Advanced Night Repair. Okay, put it here, and it's lovely. It's gel. It's like a gel. It's not oily at all. Okay, so that's what is in here, and I have a water. Okay, you can see water is not dripping. So think about it like about the moisture that you have on your face, in your skin. If you will put it around, it's already locking, so it doesn't allow it to go outside. So that means it's gonna stay there, and your skin is gonna be more hydrated. I'm going to put in here water, and I need more to start to drip it. Oh, here we go. So you see, it's lovely glow. And that's what is happening. Okay, so the next product, which I like to use for the nighttime, just show you now here. Okay, I have 2 products. I just show you because there's for the same family, but okay. No, normally this is the night version. Okay, so this is the Revitalizing Supreme Plus Night. Okay, I'm not using this one because it's too rich for me, but it's great for my mom. I'm over 30, my mom is over 50. This product is amazing for her. She loves that product, and that's why. This is the Revitalizing Supreme, is the gold jar, and you can either use day or night. You can go wrong here. I'll just show you the difference. So I'm using this one for the nighttime because it's a little bit lighter version than this. So what it has hyaluronic acid, and also it has the moringa extract. Moringa extract is called superfood. This is the product which is like the best, absolutely the best, if it comes to the fight against the anti-aging. Sometimes people were saying to me, oh, this is not for me, my skin is like, you know, so dry, my skin is like this, and this is the super cream. Okay, it's so smart, the formula. So what is happening then is adjust to your skin needs. This is something like, whoa, it's a completely game changer. Adjust to your skin needs. So if your skin needs extra, you know, like a little bit more hydration, it's gonna hydrate. If it's gonna be more fighting with the anti-aging, it's gonna do that. So it's adjust to your skin needs. As I said, I am using this one for the nighttime, but my mom is using that one for the nighttime, and this one for the day. Okay, so day version, night version for people which are, they would like to get, you know, better result. For me, it's too rich. So that blue version, it has double amount of the hyaluronic acid and the moringa extract, so it's going to be really powerful, and even the texture is different, is a little bit more thicker in that blue jar. So, and the next product which I would like to show you, if you are not into the anti-aging, if you don't think, you know, you would like to just get some like detoxing stuff, so this is the product for you in here. That's the Nightwear Plus, and it's gonna give you loads of vitamins and minerals, and also what it's gonna do is gonna detox your skin. So it's gonna take off all the bad stuff that will build it up during the day. Okay, so what you can do, you can use that one for a while, like for a week, and then you can go back, you know, to your, you know, the anti-aging version. So this is my option as well. Okay, so that's my night routine. If it comes to the day, I am always, when I wake up, I will again use the rose water, just because I did such a deep clean, you know, a night before. I'm not going to wash that face again. I use again the rose water, and you can either go with the advanced night repair, or I have other product. Oh, actually, sorry, I didn't say one more thing about the concentrate reset serum. So sorry. Reverse, we go back again to the nighttime. So if you ever thought that your skin needs your skin get used to it, you know, some of the products, that product doesn't work anymore for you, or it's just that you have to change the brand every couple of months, that's would like to the Estée Lauder would like to abandon this whole idea. It's just because there's so many factors happening that skin is going into the stress mode. So what does that mean? That the products that we are using at the moment, they won't work. So this is the miracle product. This is Concentrate Reset Serum. That product has 25 times more hyaluronic acid than Advanced Night Repair. So first we will use Advanced Night Repair, then we'll go with the Concentrate Reset Serum. But what it does, it's gonna give you lovely hydration, but also if you have any irritation that was, you know, happening, it's gonna reverse in 1 hour. So if you think that your skin is like, it feels like it's lack of the energy, like you need extra pamper, extra TLC, you don't have to use this product every single day. This is not the product for every day. This is treatment product, so it can be used once per week, every 2 weeks, whenever you feel like you need hydration. There's some few clients I had that they were using that every day because they felt like that. You can't go wrong. So what I would suggest, if you are starting with these products, maybe just go maybe for the first 3 nights. That's what I did. You know, first 3 nights I used Concentrate Reset Serum every day, just because I wanted to give that, you know, all my best, you know, to my skin, just kind of bring her back to the normal stage. And then I was going back to once per week. Then you will know, then you will feel when your skin needs that, and you will feel it, you know, when it's the right time to use again the Concentrate Reset Serum. And it's very, very lovely and powerful product. Okay, so we go back now again to the daytime. So I have 2 products here. So because okay, so that's the 2 products. So if you're a person which is looking more for, like, you know, the minimize, you know, the pore, that's the Idealist, and I recommend you this product to use, you know, before your makeup. So again, I use the rose water, I use the serum, and then I am going to use my moisturizer. I'm doing exactly the same thing as I'm doing for the nighttime, but I'm using a little bit different products. The next product which I love is the Perfectionist Pro, and this one is the Rapid Brightening. So what it has the treatment with the prebiotics, and also it has the vitamin C. It's gonna lovely bright your skin. So if you have any dark spots, or like I had so many post acne, you know, the things on my skin, that's gonna go deep down to the problem, and it's gonna work it out on that, and just gonna help you to bright this area. It also remove the redness, you know, so it's really nice, and it's gonna give you that lovely hydration as well and protection during the day. The next product which I like really love actually is, again, we go with the Nutritious, and this one is the Redden Energy and Moisturize Cream. That product, it actually helps me to bring the glow during the day. It's my must-have if it comes, you know, to the, you know, the makeup is like, you know, staying forever. It's amazing how it looks, the makeup, you know, with this product. So a little bit history about it is Nutritious was made for the specific, you know, the clients which they are living in Asia. Just because it's very difficult environment, there is so many toxins around, they need to create something that's gonna protect them even more. So they create the Nutritious Hydration, the product. So what it's gonna do is gives lovely energy, it's revitalize the skin, it's gonna give you all the essential vitamins and minerals, and that they are going to protect you during the day and hydrate your skin. So it's just like a booster for your face, and I absolutely love this product. And it's not anti-aging, it's lovely hydration. So if you have something for the night time, if it's gonna be anti-aging, that's what you can use. And the next product which you can use as well for the day is the Revitalizing Supreme. That's the anti-aging one. As I was saying, I was using that for the night time. And the next one, if you're a person which likes to have a matte finish on your skin, because sometimes we have that oily T-zone, and that's what happened to my sister, and that's how I have this lovely product. And I had a chance actually to try this on her, and just because we're like, she came to my counter one day and she's like, oh Diana, can we actually try this product? Because if you will ever want to try any product from the Estée Lauder, you can always book yourself at any counter, and the girls are going to do for you the power nap facial, and they are going to go through your skincare, answer you. It's not a questionnaire, they just want to find the information about your skin routine, so they can help you with all of the steps. Okay, so if you're looking for anything, you know, like that, you should try that matte version. That's really good solution for the people which they have really oily skin, but also they're looking for hydration, because oily skin, it doesn't mean, you know, you still have to hydrate your skin. That's the key point, you know, in all that's the thing. But that product can control that. So I'm not working anymore unfortunately for the Estée. So I'm going to move on to a little bit different direction. I will come back to my profession as a manager in the restaurant. I'm quite happy that, you know, I'm going back again and to do what I was doing before. Makeup is still gonna be my passion, and this cosmetics are going to be still my life, and so on the top of that, so I really hope I can make, you know, more videos. And recently was a little bit roller coaster, to be honest with you, with my previous work, and now that whole pandemic thing. So hopefully, you know, slowly we can go back to normal, and I can start everything again. If you have any idea, if you would like, you know, to see more videos like that, or maybe something else, you can always comment, or you can email me, and I will be so happy, you know, to see that's what you guys want to see from me, what would you like me to try and show you. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you find this helpful. Maybe I answered some of your questions, maybe you had some more idea, you know, that you would like to try this product but you didn't try them. So I highly recommend you them. They're maybe not expensive, they are pricey, but they are priced for a reason. And then this is because we're looking at the quality, and that Estée Lauder is creating something amazing. And then I will be always so grateful that I could work for them, and be with them, and just to have a chance to see everything from the back. It's very inspirational, you know, the company and the deep roots. And so this is something that definitely that opportunity changed whole my life. And if I would have ever, you know, chance to work for them again, you know, I would be so happy. So look, like that's what it is. That's my kind of skincare. That's the product that I'm using, and I hope you find them helpful. Have a lovely time, and see you. Thank you so much. Goodbye.